Hello, good morning. Today we are discuss about the string buffer and string builder in Java. What is difference between string buffer, string builder and string? Java provides there are three classes to implement the sequence of character. Sequence of character. String is a internally uses character array to store the sequence of character. String is a immutable class, and string buffer and string builder is a mutable class. You can now what is need of string? String is used to you can manipulate the string data in your program. String is a very important class in Java to perform the string operation like manipulation operations on string. String is a provide the multiple methods to perform the specific task. uh, String is a immutable class. Also string buffer and string builder both are mutable classes. And what is difference of string buffer and string builder? Now see, first see why need of these classes to in Java. To this string is a mutable, but string buffer and string builder is immutable. To as your as your requirement, then you can use as you require a string is a constant, then you can use string. And when you require the string is a mutable, then you can use the string buffer or string builder. Now there are three classes to perform the specific task on a string. String provides multiple better methods, and string builder and string buffer both are provides the different methods. Now see what is difference between string buffer and string builder. String is a sequence of character, means string class is immutable. When we create, there are two ways to create a string. First one is you can create a string by using literal, by using new keyword. What is difference between by using literal and by using new keyword? Now see, by using, when we create a string by using literal, then a string store in a SCP, string constant pool. And when we create by using new keyword, then this string store in a heap memory. Now see what is difference between string literal and new keyword. When we create a string by using literal, for example, string s equal to double quote in heap chain, then this string store in a SCP. Now first check JVM, this string is already available or not in a SCP, string constant pool. Already is available, then not create the new object, not create a new object, refers to previous string object. This is the advantages of string. Memory management purpose use the string. String is immutable. Don't create the new string, already is available in SCP. Now see, string you can create as using new keyword. String s equal to new string in bracket double quote in your hepsine. Then this string is stored in a heap memory. You can create another string, then another object created. You can create a multiple string, then in heap memory created a multiple objects. This is a drawback of new keyword. New keyword memory gives the more memory to the store in object in a heap memory. Now see uh, what is difference between string buffer and string builder, and why need of string buffer and string builder, and which methods are provided to the uh, programmer. String builder and string buffer both are is mutable. Mutables means you can change the uh, value in change the value. You can append the value, provide the one method to append the uh, first string with new string. This is a this is means mutable. Changeable means mutable. Modificable means mutable. Now see difference between string buffer and string builder. String buffer is a class is a synchronized. All string buffer methods is a synchronized, and all string builder methods is not synchronized. What is mean by synchronized? Synchronized means only one thread work at a time on that string, and string builder on multiple thread work on that string at a time. Means only one thread is executed at a time means string buffer, and multiple thread executed at a time means string builder. Means string buffer is a thread shape, and string builder is a not thread shape. And string buffer is a string buffer execution is a speed is a slow, because at a time only one thread is executed. That's why always speed is a slow, because only one thread executed. And string builder is a execution speed is a fast, because multiple thread executed at a time. That's why increase the speed of string builder. And this is a more advantages of string builder. But string builder is a not thread shape, and string buffer is a thread shape. This is a differences between string builder and string buffer. String builder and string buffer provides to the multiple methods. Now see, first one is a or more important method is a append method. String buffer and string builder provides append. You can append the string in previous string by using append method. And there is a substring. String builder provides the substring method to create a substring string within string means substring. Now multiple methods provide to like remove. Multiple methods provide to perform easy to create easy to work on a string. That's why I provide the multiple methods. Always string class is a provide multiple methods, but string is a immutable. Like string provides a lowercase, two lowercase, two uppercase. String class provide concatenate method, and string builder and string buffer provide the append method. You can concat a string, but new unreferenced variable created in a SCP memory, not refers this any variable that thing in SCP when we create a concatenation. Now already we have covered all today's topic string buffer. Now only gives the review about this. String is a immutable, string buffer and string builder is a mutable. String buffer is a thread shape and string builder is a not thread shape. String buffer is all methods are synchronized, and string builder is a methods is not synchronized. String buffer is a performance is a slow, and string builder is a performance is a high, because multiple thread is executed simultaneously. This is the reason. Thank you.